Do you ever think about me? Do you ever cry yourself to sleep in the middle of the night when you awake? Are you calling out for me? Do you ever reminisce? I can't believe I'm acting like this, but you know it's crazy how I still can feel your kiss. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, should know better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Do you ever ask about me? Do your friends still tell you what to do? Every time the phone